In this video, we'll learn how to review the stored data. Let's get started. Once the data has been downloaded to a USB drive from your device, insert the USB drive into the computer. If you have a Windows computer, a dialog box will appear after inserting the USB drive. Click the Open Folder to View Files option and you'll see the file. If you have an Apple computer, a hard drive image will appear on your desktop after inserting the USB drive. Double-click on that image and you'll see your file inside. The file that contains your data will be a CSV file. The first 7 digits of the file name is the unique device ID number. The last digit in the file name is the revision identifier. This lets you know which file is the newest. The letter A will always be the first revision. As you download more data from the same device, new files will end in the letter B, letter C, and so on. Once you're ready to open the file, double-click your file to open it. Microsoft Excel or a similar program on your machine will open the file. Once the file is open, it will contain the unique device ID number, the most recent 30 alarm events, and the stored observations with date and time stamps. If some of the columns contain hashtags or pound symbols, simply resize the columns to show the data.